My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about bougie camping things. I bought an ice maker, you guys, seriously. I live in Arizona, okay? And some of the campsites that I go to do have electricity, so I bought this ice maker. I am ready to use this. It's hot this summer, okay? I am just about ready to pull this out and start using it. So I'm going camping in a couple days and I can't wait to show you if it's going to work or not. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the iKich ice maker. I bought this off of Amazon, not a sponsor. Bought this off of Amazon as usual. Don't I buy everything off of Amazon for about $100? So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so here it is. Ugh. Wow, it's packed nice. Holy cow, look at this thing. And you can see on the bottom there even. Jeez. Let me pull out this thing. Well, it's got refrigerant in it, so you're supposed to be real careful when opening, but you know, this is hard to deal with one hand. Here's the instruction manual, the VIP club, etc. So this seems to be pretty self-explanatory. It's got add water, ice full, power, small or large. So you can select small or large ice cubes. And then basically how an ice maker works is that, oh, and it comes with this cute little ice scooper. Oh, look how cute it is. So basically what happens is the ice maker is in the back. So what it does is it continuously makes ice. Now this part, the ice holder right here, and you can kind of see that in there, that is not refrigerated. So what happens is the ice just slowly melts back into the water reservoir, which is down here on the bottom. And then basically the water just recycles back and it tries to make ice and it dumps it in and then it slowly melts and then it, you know, the cycle keeps going. So that is generally how an ice maker works, all the nice ones, and that is the one that I decided to buy, right? I wanted to buy one that did exactly that because when I'm out camping and it's hot and you know, it's hot and it'll just continuously melt. I don't want it to just melt all over the place. I want it to just continuously make ice. So that is what we're doing. So it's got a ton of tape in here. Holy cow. So like it comes with this little basket. This is what holds the ice. And then down here on the bottom, you can see where it's got a water reservoir. So you just basically fill that up on the bottom there. And it comes probably to about this line up here on the ice maker. You can see this thing's pretty big. You know, it's a lot bigger than what I was expecting. I thought it'd be almost portable-like, you know. I'm ready to possibly save some money when I'm out camping because when I go camping, I buy 10 pounds of ice every day at the very least. Sometimes 20 pounds of ice. You know, it really depends on the day and how much my cooler is just blasting through, right? So, okay. So something like this where I can save money by making my own ice for, you know, the cost of $100, I'm excited to use something like this. So you can see on the back here, I want to show you all the angles. So on the back, you know, this is where the refrigerant is kept, so you want to keep that free. And it's just got these fans, right? So I plan on keeping this in the shade when I'm camping, you know, inside my car while I'm camping, just running an extension cord or whatever. But you want to make sure, the key is that because this contains refrigerant, I won't be able to plug it in or use it for at least 24 hours because I was just kind of knocking it around back there. So you want to make sure that the refrigerant stays upright because the refrigerant, you have to make sure that it's settled on the bottom so that this can use it in order to freeze appropriately. So we're going to keep this on my counter downstairs for the next 24 hours and I'm not going to plug it in or use it until tomorrow. So I just thought I'd do a little unboxing of this. Look at how nice this is though. I mean, seriously, I'm so excited to use this while camping. I live in Arizona, okay? Owning an ice maker, a portable one, is not out of the realm of possibility. I know you may call me a bougie camper. Really? She bought an ice maker in order to go camping, but listen, okay? I need something like this because I love camping and I love being cool while camping, okay? And sometimes you just gotta splurge and buy some things. So this cost me, again, $125 off of Amazon. So that is it. The iKich ice maker. Self-explanatory. It makes ice. Anyway, so that's all. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.